Okay, I'm gonna go out and I'm gonna film the quarry.
Whoever has the most streamers on their radio.
What's your altitude?
Like flag football, we have.
I'm at 272.
Where you at, Gary?
Oh, we're catching the crane.
Alright, because I'm coming out.
All right, I'm at 200 feet.
How high are you?
200.
Okay. I've got my aeroplane this time.
I hear an aircraft.
I hear it too, but I don't see it yet.
Oh wow, Becky.
Okay, you've gone too far. I can't find you. What's your altitude again? Still at 200?
Yeah,
Okay, I don't see you.
I'm okay though. Here I'm okay. I'm down at 119.
That's why I can't see you, because you're up against the hills as your background, so you're blending in.
Okay, but am I all right with my altitude?
Well, not if I can't see you, because the mountains
All
over
right.
there are.
I'm all right. I'm at 88 feet now.
You taking pictures?
Yeah, I'm taking pictures of the quarry.
Joe said just holler if you're coming back this direction, so he knows that you're coming back towards the runway, okay?
Yeah.
Got it. Thank you, Cindy.
Okay, so what I'm looking at right now is the quarry, but I want to come around and I want to use my FPV. That right there, that's Cajon Pass. And if you trace it down this way, see there where the orange trees are? That's where we were just at. That is where the San Andreas Fault is, right along there. You can see that. That's all from the San Andreas Fault, and I'm pointing it out with the vector circle. Right there is the gap that goes up to where the dam is, and if you look way over there.
There you are. Yep.
Okay, I just want to make sure that everybody knows. Tell him I'm coming from the back side of the shelter.
Cindy, he's going to come from the back side of the shelter to land. Okay. Okay.
You see me yet?
Yeah, I gotcha. You're over the truck field. So, and there are people on the truck, so you may want to. No, wait, no, don't go that way. That's where Joe's flying.
Yeah, I know.
And you're over the people with the truck, in case you don't know where you're at. And you're over the picnic table in front of us.
All right, that was a good flight.